Never have I ever thought that I'll be using a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 smartphone in 2023. This is iQOO 12, aka the world's first globally available phone to have Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip that can pretty much put any Android flagship phone right now to shame with its epic performance. It's the first phone that I've used with the brightest display ever, coming at 3000 nits, a whopping 120 watt fast charging, pro grade flagship triple camera setup with a strong telephoto lens. All of this for around $700 price. This is crazy. Let's start with unboxing, and right off the bat you can see from the packaging that this phone is special. This is iQOO 12 Legends Edition, design inspired by BMW M Motorsport. Unlike other smartphone brands, you get a full unboxing experience with iQOO 12 with a free protective case, fast 120 watt charger, USB-C cable, all right from the box. Any company who's doing this in 2023 and 2024, they definitely deserve all the praise, so hit the like on this video. Before we talk about the visual aspect of the design, I have to mention that this is one of the thinnest and the lightest flagships I have ever used, despite packing a 5000 mAh battery. It's 8.1mm thin with 203 grams of weight. Now you might be thinking, how were they able to achieve this? Well, this is all thanks to the industry-leading Pro Performance graphite battery. Graphite battery comes with 9% larger capacity compared to the previous generation, which is a key element to achieving an impressively slim 8.1mm profile. As for the visual look, iQOO 12's design is inspired from BMW M Motorsport. You can see a tricolor pattern on the back, which kind of symbolizes the art of racing and adventure. There's also a massive triple camera setup on the back, yet as I said, the phone feels incredibly light and good in hand. Now the display is one of the most impressive ones I've seen in a while. It's a 6.78-inch screen with 144Hz LTPO AMOLED display for dynamic refresh rate, combined with mind-blowing 3000 nits of brightness. It is literally the highest brightness I have seen on a phone that I've personally used in 2023 or ever. Therefore, sure, when all out, it looks incredible, colors are on point. It is completely flat with very slim bezels and a center punch hole design that has a 16 megapixel front camera. Now iQOO 12 offers something that you don't see on any other smartphone globally at the moment, which is a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. Yes, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 makes the iQOO 12 significantly faster than any current 2023 Android flagships. Both in CPU and GPU, we have massive gains. Now iQOO 12 also has supercomputing chip Q1, which enhances the resolution of the game, improve the high frame rates of up to 144 FPS, as well as use filters to enhance gameplay, especially in dark scene environments. With a 25% faster GPU performance on the iQOO 12, it can pretty much handle any game out there currently on Google Play Store. Now performance is nothing without proper cooling system, which is why iQOO 12 packs a 6K vapor cooling chamber, which ensures to keep the phone nice and cool even in them long gaming sessions. Despite its thin design, I was surprised at its long-term gaming performance. This phone truly is a gaming beast. Now when it comes to power efficiency, we have already seen how good the 8 Gen 2 was last year, and 8 Gen 3 takes that to next level. On my normal to high usage patterns, I was able to get through the day without any issues. Plus with the 120 watt fast charging, you can literally charge this phone from 0 to 100% in just 27 minutes, which is just amazing. But what about software? Well, this is actually one of the first phones to pack FunTouch OS 14, which is based on Android 14 latest version. It appears very simple, yet it is highly customizable to your liking. I love how they have placed custom widgets next to the app drawer. Quick panel also looks on point, but by far the best and the most important thing is the animation and performance. It is extremely smooth and perfectly optimized to take advantage of that 144Hz refresh rate. I've literally not seen any lag anywhere on this phone throughout my usage. Now let's bring our attention to the massive cameras on the back. We have a main 50 megapixel astrography camera, a 64 megapixel telephoto 3x optical zoom, and a 50 megapixel ultra wide sensor. Starting with the main sensor, as the name suggests, it's a astrography camera. It is specifically optimized for night shots and low light images. These shots were taken in dark night situations. Still, we were able to see great colors and details out of this shot. Thanks to the new camera ISP we get with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, the processing times were relatively very quick compared to previous generation phones. When it comes to daytime shots, as expected, we've got great colors and detail going on all around. Now, iQOO has done something very interesting with the periscope telephoto camera on this thing. It's a 64 megapixel sensor with 3x optical zoom level, rocking a wide f2.57 aperture. You can basically go from 3x all the way to 100x if you really want to. It's a very versatile zoom camera on a phone, especially at this price. I've usually used this up to 10x level. That's where you get the best results, and it looks very sharp, on par with the competition. Now 3x is still my favorite focal length to shoot portrait mode images because it's not too zoomed in as with the 5x lens. Again, that's my personal preference, but in terms of the results, it's looking great. You can also take portraits at 1x level, which uses the main sensor, pretty sharp, and very recommended to use that especially at night situations. Edge detection is also on point thanks to the 8 Gen 3's new camera ISP. The ultra wide is also one of the better ones I've seen on smartphones, coming at 50 megapixel resolution, captures great detail, and has a nice field of view. As for the video, you can shoot videos up to 4K 60 FPS or 4K 30 FPS. I kinda like 60 FPS because then I can slow it down and get like a cinematic look out of it. We've got accurate colors and good exposure balance. You can even shoot 8K videos up to 30 FPS for ultimate detail if you have plenty of light outside, so that's a great option to have. I have to say, overall, for the price, the camera experience is definitely punching above its weight. All in all, it seems like iQOO 12 is a rare phone on the market right now, considering its fastest performance, especially when you consider the GPU. It is literally the fastest GPU on any phone in the world. I was genuinely surprised with the software stability and its long-term zoom performance. It's the brightest display I have ever used on a phone, 3000 nits. It's absolutely crazy. 120 watt fast charging is just bonkers, and the charger comes for free right out of the box. If you're someone who's looking for the features of the future in 2024, you don't have to wait anymore because 8 Gen 3 is already present on this phone. It's currently the only global phone to have the 8 Gen 3 chip. Again, considering the price and the global availability, iQOO 12 has definitely made its mark in the market. As always, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I am very eager to hear what you're gonna say about the iQOO 12 and its amazing specs in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.